Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to invite accounts to a voice call on Facebook Messenger. If you ever need to add someone to your voice call, this guide is for you. Before we get started, make sure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone. If you don't have it already, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install. Once it's done, tap on Open to start the app. Once you're in the app, sign in like you usually would. Go to a chat and tap on the phone icon to start a voice call. If you want to add someone to the call, tap on the profile icon with the plus sign. This will bring up a list of your Facebook friends. Select the receivers from the list by tapping on their profiles. Once you have selected all the people you want to add to the call, tap on Call. This will start a voice call with all the selected participants. Inviting accounts to a voice call can be useful in many situations. For example, if you need to add a colleague or a friend to a group call. By following these simple steps, you can easily invite accounts to a voice call on Facebook Messenger. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.